Hello everyone and welcome to the another video session of American Institute Khalilabad. It's Ayub Nazar Khan, a senior student of this center. So today we are going to discuss on one of the most eminent and hot topic of the global financial system, that is cryptocurrency. So let's get started. So we have two groups here. On my right we have Tasneem and Tabassum who are going to tell about the advantages of cryptocurrency. And on my left we have opponent group Akansha and Shagufta. So they are going to tell about the disadvantages of the cryptocurrency. So shall we start now? So according to you ma'am, how would you like to define cryptocurrency in your words?
Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency. It is not a real money which we can hold on our hand. It is basically a collection of a binary data. Through a blockchain, it is helpful for us to decentralize.
Yeah, because I think due to crypto, like if I want to transfer money from India to Bangladesh, so there comes a lot of government regulation. But due to crypto, the government regulation, the layer of government, that is not there.
Yes, of course, and there is no middleman.
Well, you are right, but you see, there is an authority of government. So, in my point of view, this is illegal and not safe for us.
Yes, I agree with her because crypto has no central monetary authority and efficient because it is virtual currency. Suppose someone the crypto by mistake, so we cannot retrieve it.
Well, but there are a lot of advantages of crypto because if we need to transfer money, so we don't need any third party like bank, credit card, debit card, or we don't have to go a lot of processes like filling forms, staying in line, etc.
Yes, of course. And payment is also safe and secure. And fund transfer are completed with minimum processing fee. If we submit and transfer money in the bank, so government takes a lot of charge in form of tax.
Yes, but crypto takes no charge.
Well, ma'am, I think you are mistaken here because recently our financial minister Nirmala Sitharaman, she told us that whatever benefit you get from the crypto, you would have to give 30% of fee in form of tax to the government.
Okay, in this point I agree with you, but you see, every coin has two aspects. As ma'am told us that it is a digital currency, okay? So our transaction is done with the help of internet. So there are a lot of chances, money laundering or scams, etc.
Yeah, like terrorism and cybercrime, and there are also a lot of chances. A man can convert his illegal earned money in crypto and can hide its source.
Yeah, you are right, but there are only one or two disadvantages of crypto. But if I talk about advantages, there are a lot of them. What I want to say is protect from inflation. Several currencies' values decrease over time, but the demand of crypto grows, its value also grows. Keeping pace with market for a long term, it prevents inflation.
But isn't it so risky? I mean, if demand grows, the value grows. So if demand go down, then value can also go down. And I have seen lot of people losing their money because of its high volatile nature.
That is also people are like,
Ma'am, you are only talking about people who are afraid to take big risk. But even after that, the number of investors are increasing day by day. I mean, everything comes. If you want to achieve something greater in your future, then you have to take such kind of risk.
And different countries are also accepting this day by day. And I think if it keeps happening, so there will not be high chance of risking money.
but even after we can't trust it, if it doesn't have to do with government, then we will be responsible for our losses. And whatever good or bad happens, it is us who will be responsible.
Yeah, that's why it's work on blockchain, which is a public ledger that keeps all record of transaction. And these transactions are completely anonymous. A person can only know the address of crypto on which payment has been sent or received. Belong cannot be identified. So it's such a great feature for against security or fraud or identity theft.
And as you told about the security, so it can also go in a wrong way. Suppose for example, fund to a wrong addresses by mistake, so it cannot be trusted, and where you will lose all your money.
Yes, that is also a big risk. If transactions are irreversible in nature, the transferring money can be our loss if we don't concentrate.
Yes, I believe that there are a lot of loopholes in cryptocurrency, but you see, it is still in initial stages and technology is constantly evolving. So, if crypto evolves in such a way that these problems are solved, then we can complete our financial assets.
That's true. But I think there are still a lot of work to do to make the crypto better. If these loopholes that he talked about get solved by the time, then a person can simply invest his money in crypto.
Yes, that time will surely come because countries and the companies are accepting crypto as payments. across the world are increasing in high number.
Yeah, recently the numbers were estimated between 2.8 million to 5.8.
Yes, I do hope so. I mean, if crypto that give the guarantee and the security, the people won't be afraid of investing. Because we are living in the world, the most of people in the world with bad intention like a hackers can be the cause of the cyber security breaches.
And there are a lot of evidences like this were also seen. So I think what ma'am want to say that if in the future crypto gets better and so we cannot put our money in the risk, so that will be it can be considered as worth investing platform.
Yes, absolutely agree with your point of view. The way you see can technology, I too believe that in future a lot of things would change and crypto, its management and will also be one of them.
Yes, we just hope it happen.
Okay, I have been listening to all of you, and your concerns are mainly related with the security management of crypto. So let me tell you one thing, that we cannot believe in government too.
Absolutely, within 2 or 3 years, a lot of bank went bankrupt. Like as bank,
Yeah.
ma'am, as you were saying that hackers can breach security, so hackers can also break software of bank or stock exchange.
Of course.
And I will also seen this kind of thing a lot of time. So if you say crypto doesn't provide security, it doesn't make any sense.
Completely right. You see, I have been listening to all of you, and as I said that your concerns are related with the security, and there are a lot of people who are skeptical about that, and they think our money can go into the risk. So as I said, that technology is constantly evolving. So if crypto evolves in such a way that people do not take it as a risky investment, then it will get better. And I have seen that a lot of countries are accepting this. So we just need to wait that people are also accepting this in their lives, so that will be better. So nice being with you all, and we will meet soon with another topic. Have a nice time. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
तो आइए जुड़िए इस अमेरिकन इंस्टीट्यूट से, जहाँ पर आपको इंग्लिश इतने आसान तरीके से सिखाई जाती है। तो हमसे जुड़ने के लिए आप आ सकते हैं अमेरिकन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, टीचर्स कॉलोनी, शुगर मिल रोड, खलीलाबाद, या फिर आप दिए हुए नंबर पर कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं 8795745199।